weather coverage you can count on with Alabama's weather anchor of the year, WAAY 31's chief meteorologist Kate McKenna.
There's no risk for severe weather overnight or even early Wednesday morning. The main concern tomorrow is going to be with a line of storms rolling through later tomorrow evening through tomorrow night. So look at the timeline here of what we're expecting with storm arrival, not duration, arrival. Storms in the shoals between 6 and 8 o'clock along I-65 out into western Jackson County, parts of Marshall County between 8 and 10 o'clock tomorrow night, and then closer to Sand Mountain, storms rolling in between 10 o'clock and midnight. We are going to still have storms in the area all the way through about sunrise on Thursday. The WAAY 31 storm tracker early warning radar network not showing any rain right now. And as you take a look here over Muscle Shoals, you will still see a lot of cloud cover, although we are dry. 78 degrees the current temperature. We've kept a wind out of the south really all day long, and with the cloud cover, it's that south wind that's helped bring those temperatures up. But we have seen some sunshine. There are still some sun breaks to be had out there. Right now, that wind is sustained at 14 miles per hour. As we go through tonight into tomorrow morning, I want you to watch what happens here. We keep it mostly cloudy, and we'll have a few showers start to come into view by 7 o'clock off to the southwest. And then as we get closer to midnight and just afterwards, there's 10 o'clock now all the way to 2 a.m. Notice the showers that start developing. But again, it's just shower activity. A couple rumbles of thunder are not impossible. There's a better chance for rain and thunderstorms by the time we wake up tomorrow morning all the way through your morning commute, especially west of I-65. This is a cluster of showers and storms that moves through 8 a.m. now all the way to 11 a.m. That's lifting to the north up into Tennessee. Catch another little break from the action here through a large chunk of the afternoon. This is 3 o'clock tomorrow, and notice not only is it fairly dry, fairly quiet, but even the clouds start breaking a little bit, and we're still going to be close to 80 degrees for a high tomorrow. This data source showing a few showers here over Sand Mountain initially, but nothing in the way of severe weather before this gets here. This is a very intense line of storms rolling out of West Tennessee and Mississippi, moving right through the shoals. The best chance for severe weather tomorrow and the risk for an embedded tornado or two is going to be in northwest Alabama. This is 7 o'clock. Now let's take you all the way to 9 o'clock. That line continuing to track eastward. There's 11 o'clock tomorrow night. Storms just now rolling into northeast Alabama. But watch what happens with a little bit of time. That kind of falls apart as it's moving into northwest Georgia. That leading edge becoming less intense, and that's because we do expect these storms to weaken with time as we go through the overnight hours. There's just not the same amount of energy available to sustain the intensity of those storms. But we still have showers and storms all the way through early Thursday morning. It's just not that strong, severe threat that we've got through the duration of the overnight. So tomorrow looks like this. There's no really high chance for rain here initially. It's past 5, 6, 7 o'clock that storm chance is going to spike to basically 100%. Meantime, it's a 30% chance for showers and storms early in the morning. An isolated shower still possible, and temperatures, remember, close to the 80-degree mark. And let me remind you that risk for severe weather is highest off to the northwest. That's a moderate risk, but our northwest counties here within North Alabama, that's a level 3 out of 5 on the scale from the Storm Prediction Center. Most of our counties in a level 2 out of 5. Damaging winds the main threat, but a tornado or two will be possible. Best chance for that is across the shoals, and we're all going to get heavy rain, about an inch of rain expected in total. It's cooler Thursday because all these storms are coming ahead of a cold front. We're down to 71 for a high Thursday, Easter Sunday, and Saturday. There's a chance for a few showers and storms. Temperatures still in the low to mid 70s this weekend.